Hello and welcome to New Parents in Training. So today I got a product that is sent to us from Hollyland, and this model is called the Lark Max Limited Edition. This is all-in-one wireless lavalier microphone system. And they also sent us two accessories. This is omnidirectional lavalier microphone, black and black. Let's unbox this. There's one more tape on the bottom. There we go. All right, let's see. First thing first, I believe this is a quick guide. So they have a pouch that holds everything in. Let's open this up. Open this. Here is the receiver, and here are the mics. Obviously, this travel case also dubbed as a charging case as well. This is how you're gonna get charged. The USB port is on the back. Yeah, looks pretty cool. Let's see what else they have in here. All right, a 3.5mm headphone jack, a windscreen. Right, a USB-C cable, a USB-C to lightning port cable. This is for iPhone. Another windscreen, so two of them. Oh, okay, so this must be the charging cable for the case. All right, so that's all there is for the traveling case. So lastly, let me check out the accessory that they also sent me. Not entirely sure what this is. Okay, it's a lavalier microphone, wire. So I think both of them are the wire version. Yeah, same. So here is the product. Let me go charge this up and then try it out. All right, so after some time of testing this, I really like it. This is really great product to have. If you do any type of vlogging or interviewing style, then yeah, this is coming really handy. So let's talk about some of the key features. The way that you're gonna connect the devices are very simple. Once you open up the case, the transmitters will connect to the receivers. There's not much you need to do with the connectivity. Now, the way that you're going to connect to your recording devices are very simple. They provide you with the cables. If you're using Android device, use the USB-C cable. If you are using Apple iPhone devices, then use the USB-C to lightning cable. And if you're using the traditional DSL or mirrorless cameras, then you just use the 3.5mm jack to connect with your receiver to your camera. So it's really straightforward and very simple. Now next, let's talk about the battery life. For the transmitter, it has a 300 milliamp of battery that gives you a 7.5 hours of straight use. For the receiver, it has a 490 milliamp of battery and give you roughly about 9 hours of use. The case itself has 2800 milliamp battery inside. If you are running low on juice, put all your devices back into the case. The case itself can charge all the devices twice over. So you can be sure it has enough juice to last you for the entire day. Now this device has multiple ways of attached to the body. First, you can use the clipper on the back to clip the transmitter onto your shirt. If you're wearing a t-shirt, it also has a magnet on the back where you can put the magnet behind the shirt, attach your transmitter that way. Lastly, if you don't want your transmitter to be shown, you can also wear a wire lavalier attached to your transmitter. And so that way you can put your transmitter away in your pocket or somewhere else. And all you need to do is just wear a wire lavalier on your shirt. That will do the trick as well. Next, let's talk about the transmitter. The transmitter is very simple design. On top, that's where the mic is. They also provide you with a windscreen, so you can put the windscreen on right over the top. It's very easy to attach and detach. On the side, it has a record button. You can actually record audio straight onto the transmitter itself. It has a 8 gig of internal storage. It's very easy for you to take the audio afterward out, import it to your PC or to your Mac. On the other side, you can connect your wired lavalier onto the transmitter, and also it has a on and off button. Lastly is the noise cancellation button. Once you turn the noise cancellation on, this device will flash green. All right, next let's talk about the receiver. This receiver is very well designed. Not only has a touch screen, but also has a knob. So the knob comes really handy, especially in a screen this size, very small. It's very easy to miss or unable to do the command that you want to. So with the knob, it's very easy to control. You just have to turn left or right to select whichever command that you want to do, and then just press the button on top of the knob and you can do the selection. There are a couple of features I strongly advise you to do once you receive this product. First is to change the record mode. It has 3 different record modes. One is stereo, the other one is mono, and the last one is the safety track. For stereo, it's really good if you are doing interviewing style where you are using both transmitter. So you have the transmitter 1 be the left audio and transmitter 2 be the right audio. Now, if you are not doing that, if you're only using one transmitter and you are having the stereo, then your audio is gonna come out a little bit weird. You can always modify the audio on your editing software, but then that's just a little bit more hassle. So I strongly suggest if you are not doing interviewing style of recording, then just change the audio to mono. That way, each transmitter is recording both left and the right audio. Another setting that you should change is the phone speaker. This will only work on Android phones that are using the USB-C cable. Once you have this function enabled, you don't have to unplug the receiver from your phone to hear the sound that coming out from the video. Now for Apple's, however, this will not work because Apple will not allow the speaker to play sounds when the lighting cable is plugged in. Orchard City Center. And this on the website is supposed to be a 4-star hotel. I'll show you what the room looks like. So now let me show you some of the videos I have shot with this microphone system. Mic check 1, 2, 3. I'm currently outside. As you can see, there's a water fountain or water playground in the back. And so there's some water noise in the background. I'm wearing the windscreen with the noise cancellation off, and this is what it sounds like. So now I have the windscreen on with the noise cancellation on as well, and this is what it sounds like. So I am outside with the water playground in the back, so there are some water sound, and now this is without the windscreen and without the noise cancellation on, and this is what it sounds like. Now I took the windscreen off, and this is, I'm not sure if you can pick it up. The green light is on. Right now I have the noise cancellation on. And this is what it sounds like. Testing the range for the Hollyland wireless mic. Okay, so I'm walking really far away. Let's see how far this thing can get. Now this should be testing the limit. Yeah, I'm on the other side of the pool now. In conclusion, the likes and dislikes. What I like about this product is how easy it is to use it. Once you take the product out of the case, it's just pretty much plug and play. So it's very simple and straightforward to use. What I don't like about it is you do need to have a cold shoe slot for this receiver in order to attach to your phone. If you are using on your digital cameras or GoPro, that's very easy because it already has a cold shoe on top of those recording devices. But if you are using this on your phone, then you do need to have a phone mount that has a cold shoe on top. Otherwise, it's not going to work. So this is my review of the Hollyland Lark Max Limited Edition. If you have any questions, comment down below. Until next time, bye.